welcome back to Zeddy Toys. Today I'm going to be showing all my fidgets and let's get started with the video. First I'm going to show my poppets. So I have this clover poppet, as you can see. That's the pop of it. It's very nice and rainbow. And I also got this owl poppet. The poppy side. That's the owl, and it's also rainbow, like the clover. They come together. And I've got this heart. This is the poppy side. It's very nice. It's kind of rainbow, but. And I also got this strawberry, which is poppy on both sides. And they both have the same type of colours. And I have this pineapple bag. Let me show you the pop. It's like that. So cute. And now I'm gonna show my squishies and needles. I've got this penguin needle. It's very cute and it's blue. And I've got this orange needle too. And I've got this ice cream squishy. So this will go there. 2 flavors, strawberry and vanilla. I've got this llama. And I've got this little heart thing, which is pink and white. And I've got this bunny. Now I'm just going to show all sorts of fidgets because I don't have many of them. This fidget cube, all sorts of colours. You can move it around. Mix it up, and I've got this orange monkey noodle. It's very stretchy and very thick and orange. And I've got this yellow, not too sure what the name is, but it's very cool. You can like a marble inside and you can move it around with your fingers. I've got this stretchy thing. I really don't know what the name is. You do know? Then leave the comments below and you can say what it is. But I'm not too sure what it is. And I've got this suction cups. You can push on the wall. Put it on any surface place. As you can only put it off and mix it like that. And it's pink, white and blue. And I've got this purple pop tube. Very lovely. And yeah. I've also got this mini elephant poppet. I've got this squishy thing. It's a balloon. I've got this wacky track. It's orange and blue. You can make different types of shapes. Like a bed. This zipper. It's yellow and blue, and I've got this fidget cube. Got this bit, these buttons. Got this swirly thing. You can move it around, and this. move on to the slinkies. Got this green, pink, orange and yellow one, and this pink and blue one. I'm gonna show what it does. So this one is stretchy, the same as this one. I'm gonna put them downstairs and see which one wins. So I'm gonna do it at the same time. Yellow, orange, pink, and green. So I'm gonna put downstairs. It might tangle. So it went down to that step. I'm going to put it on the blue. This is the blue. Got this blue and pink one. I'm going to put it down the stairs. So which one do you think is going to be the fastest? The winner. You have to put it closer to the stair. Sorry, not the. So it went down to this one and this one won. And now I'm going to show the mochis. I'm going to be showing my mochis now. So I've got this cute white bunny one. I've got this yellow tiger. Sparkly unicorn or horse. I've got this sun. I've got this whale. I've got this laying down cat. It has an orange belly. I've got a yellow chick, pink paw, point, white and polar bear, cute small bunny, this pig, piggy, pink. I got another one, which is a pink too. Got this duck, and I got a chef hat, and you can go on top like a chef. Got this white unicorn too. Looking anymore. Yeah. I'm not too sure if I showed this one. It's a little cute bunny. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye.